Hi guys, Kimmy Girl J here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I jumped on here to do a quick unboxing of the Gallery Tote in Signature Canvas Butterfly Print, Coach, New York. This tote was purchased off of the Coach Outlet website. It regularly retails for $350, but it was purchased off of the Coach Outlet site for $99. You guys can jump on if you're able, if you can, and grab you one of these. Like I said, purchase off the Coach Outlet at $99, and it regularly retails for $350. This is the perfect spring tote, and I will leave the description down, and I will leave the link down in the description box. Thank you guys, and have a good day.